Want to know how to set or add income records or income transaction to your account in Money Manager? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. So it's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your Money Manager application. So we have also created similar videos regarding Money Manager, which is available on our channel. So make sure to watch it. So now you should be under the transaction interface by default, and adding an income is super simple. It's the same as adding an expense. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing this plus icon right here, the simple like that. And here you should be seeing various options popping up. And right beside expense, you should be seeing income. Just simply select that. It should be highlighted with a blue colored icon. And now you can just simply type in an income that you have gotten. So I'm just going to go for 5,000 for now and select any category. So allowance, salary, and once more, and account. I'm just going for accounts or my online account right here. And you can just simply add a note or description and then select save. So now once everything is done, as you can see right here, your income has been successfully added. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.